Hello guys, today I'll show you how to motion track multiple objects or follow two or more objects in Filmora X. Subscribe for more tutorials. So you drag your video to the timeline, then you double click on the video. You enable motion tracking. You place the box on the object you want to follow. You can resize it. Then you click Start Tracking. Now you drag the same video to the timeline. Then you repeat the same process as we did for the first one. Then you click Start Tracking. You wait for it to finish loading. Now you choose what you want to add on top of the motion tracking. So I'll be using the call out text. You drag it to the timeline, then you stretch it. Drag the call out text into the box. Then you click OK. You double click on the video. Under motion tracking, you select callouts 2. Click on the eye symbol to make the second layer visible. Then you repeat the same process as we did for the first one. You drag the object into the box. Click OK. Then you double click on the second video. Under motion tracking, you select call out 1. OK. So this is how to motion track multiple objects in a video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.